Hello. So if you made it to the end of the video, please go ahead and give it a like and comment down below. If you feel like sticking around, go ahead and subscribe. I am doing my nails because I leave tomorrow for Columbus to do my exam for the state of Ohio. I'm really happy with these. I haven't had my nails done in a while. Like, it's been well over a month that I've just had my nubs. So I'm very, very excited to finally have my nails on again. I'll leave y'all with that. So have a good one. Bye.